What's up, YouTube? At the mall right now. I done ditched my wife and daughter, so now I'm just gonna walk around, do a little window shopping, waste a little time before we go to the track. Hold on 1 second. Hello?
You recording? I can't have you recording.
Why not?
It's company policy.
I ain't got no sign though.
Company policy.
I shopping there all the time, bro.
Yeah, but you can't record it, guys. Unfortunately.
Huh. So I'm shopping here, but I can't record now. See what I want to buy.
Take pictures. I mean, you can feel free to take pictures. Recording those, unfortunately.
All right. Oh, you can't record now. They just lost my business. So anyway, do a little window shopping, walk around. For those who haven't been in the Galleria in Houston, the mall is huge. 3 stories. Got ice skating. Whatever you want to do up in there. One thing I'm finding out about having a YouTube channel, people don't want to be on TV or whatever on YouTube. I guess they feel like they're ugly or something. I don't know. So they didn't like me recording in that store, so we're gonna go in another store. Hello, how y'all doing? I'm just looking now. Appreciate it. All right, thank you. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm just on here. Let's get an intro. Like I said, I'm getting used to walking with this camera. People looking at me like I'm crazy, like I'm special ed or something. You know, I like nice clothes just as well as nice cars. So I like hitting the Galleria up and doing a little shopping every now and then. Appreciate y'all. They all looking at me like, what's this fool doing? I'm a tourist. That's what I'm gonna tell them. I'm not from out here. I'm from a Dominican. Everybody think I'm Dominican. That's cool, bro.
Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
You can't film in here.
There's no sign on the door.
We just can't film in here in the store.
So I can film myself?
No, sir. Like, there's no type of filming inside this.
I can't take pictures?
Pictures you can, but no filming. Like,
okay, so I can just take pictures? Okay. So I can't film, but I can take pictures. I'm gonna see if they're gonna start following me. I'm acting like I'm taking pictures. He's clean.
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
We need nothing. Snow.
Okay. Thank you. I think they own to me.
Excuse me, sir.
What's up, bro?
If you're recording and the company store doesn't allow
No, I'm not recording, bro. No, I'm not. I'm just taking pictures with it.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. I just left out of Louis Vuitton, and they told me I can't record in there either. They probably thought I got a bootleg store on the side selling bootleg purses. Y'all see all the people? Are they looking at me with this camera? They don't like that camera, boy. Hey, look who I found. Chaz, people don't like being on camera, boy. All right, this is what it's like. People look at, when I go in the stores, I'm a tourist. I'm from out of town. I'm not from around.
Oh, I should have got a bathing suit over here. Cute, Daddy. Look how cute a bathing suit is.
Oh, yeah, 2-piece. That's what I want to see you in. See my 11-year-old daughter in a 2-piece. Wow.
Hey, come on, Daddy.
Am I supposed to enjoy this or something?
We're about to go into
Starbucks.
Starbucks, and I'm so excited.
Hey, you gotta calm down because you bouncing too much.
Okay.
I got my drink, and my daughter is hounding these people for her stuff. Check out old girl eyebrow. I had to turn the camera real quick so she don't see me doing it.
Daddy, mine's better. Look how beautiful.
I look like a burnt burrito. This thing is so slow. You got mods or something. Come on, man. Hello. Dom go-kart vehicle. This was a rip-off. Going after my money back.
Where are we going next again?
We about to roll out.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the racetrack.
We're going to the racetrack. build a motor today. You can build your motor.
Your final call, 2JZ lane 2, please. Final call for 2JZ to lane number 2.
This is the Death Trap. They've been playing this song all weekend. Hell, I might use this song for the video. Gotta crawl out of here now.
Hey, Dom.
What's up?
I'm gonna pull this DR1 around into this cop car, alright?
Go ahead, bro. Freaking fumes, bro. If that car went on E85, it'd kill me. Everybody subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the support. Follow Graham, down Car Vision. We can't do nothing if we don't support each other. If y'all got a YouTube channel or y'all got an Instagram, leave it in the comments, man. I'm gonna follow y'all. Y'all follow me, I'm gonna follow y'all, bro. I wanna see what y'all doing.